This morning we have the opportunity to see Santorini before many people are up. A rare pleasure. After breakfast, we head to the Prehistoric Museum of Santorini. This is my kind of museum, short and sweet and to the point. These artifacts give us insight to the civilization that was here prior to 1650 BC. A culture so advanced for its time, they had running water, inside plumbing, plus all the refinements one would need. Ceramic bowls and sauce boats, ovens and even barbecue andirons, metal cooking utensils, vessels for practical and ritual use, Cycladic goddess statuary. Some of these same pieces are on display in museums that we get to visit on our other trips. For example, the Louvre in Paris. And here, a fossilized olive leaves dating from 60,000 BC. And famously, the frescoes that adorned their three-story houses. Importantly, they have yet to find human remains at the digs. Scientists believe that prior to the large eruption which destroyed Santorini, they had smaller eruptions or earthquakes that alerted them, and people were able to leave the island. Another aspect that leads them to that conclusion is that they have yet to find very valuable treasures, like jewelry or caches of gold. They did, however, find one small gold item left behind, a golden ibex. Where they managed to escape to remains a mystery.